Are you curious on how you can easily convert your real video into a 3D animation video, or are you looking for a best platform that helps you convert real video into anime? Guys, you want to simply try out this platform. I'm going to show you right here in this video. So guys, without no further ado, let's dive into the video right away. So there is only one best app that can actually help you convert your video into anime, and this platform is called the DomoAI.app. DomoAI, you can easily amplify your creativity and also produce top quality visuals faster and consistency with style. So guys, all you simply need to do is to click onto start in Discord, and it's going to take you right onto the Domo AI Discord server right here. So once you're right here, simply scroll down, and all you want to simply do is to go on to use them, and you see a lot of generation room. So you simply tap on any of these right here, and once you're done, next thing you want to do, you put in slash. Now you see this option here that says turn video into video. You simply tap on that, and right here guys, you want to simply drag and drop or click to upload file. So right here guys, I'm going to simply drop this particular file. So this is it. So all I simply need to do is to give this a prompt. I'm just going to do this right here as my prompt, and once that is done, I'm simply just going to click on to enter, and I've been able to send a command right here to Domo AI, and this is going to take a few seconds. So right here guys, before you start your generation, you want to simply select your generation options, and these are some of the generation options right here. Your anime, you want to simply select your style. So let's simply make use of this. You select the source code. We can easily refer to source video or the prompts. I prefer making use of the source video. Then you simply select your duration. We have 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds. I'm going to make use of 3 seconds and simply tap on to start right here, and within a few seconds our video will be generated right here. And right here guys, we have been able to generate this. So guys, this is the original video that was uploaded right here to Domo AI, and guys, this was converted right here to the anime video, and this is it right here. So guys, this is how you can easily just convert your video to anime right here by simply making use of this platform called the Domo AI.